Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi 12 Lite. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and get this free app called Send Anywhere on both devices. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now in this pop-up you can click on Not Now if you wish to, and then save it by choosing OK. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive over here on Xiaomi. Now you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories, and when you finish, click Send over here. This way you will choose all of them and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Misclick and tap on Got it. Now on Xiaomi, choose one of those options, in my case yes I agree. Click on Close this window, and finally we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing this Xiaomi's camera at the code. But we can also tap on the back button and input this key over here instead before it expires. Then we can connect using Receive button. And now, as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!